how to fix PUBG Mobile download OBB service is running problem. Hello friends, so welcome back to how to fix it YouTube channel. So guys, as you can see on my phone screen, okay, I'm facing this problem in my PUBG Mobile. So guys, as you can see, it is showing that download OBB service and download OBB service is running. So why this problem is occurring and how you can fix this problem in this video, you will get to know about it. Okay, if you are also facing the same problem, then watch this video till the end. Okay, so guys, whatever process I am going to show you, you just have to follow that process. And guys, I'm going to give you some details, okay, regarding this problem. And guys, after all this, your problem will be fixed after watching full video. Okay, so just stay tuned with the video. And guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So we can start the video. So guys, I'll show you, okay, what is happening on the PUBG. So let's go inside. Okay, so let's step here. Okay, now as you can see, I'm opening my PUBG. Okay, so when I open it, it's still showing download resource, or it's showing downloading resources. Okay, so it simply means that your resources are downloading. Okay, your resources are downloading. So guys, whenever this problem occurs, your game could not be opened. Okay, PUBG could not be opened until and unless your resource download gets completed. So guys, whenever you take PUBG from other phone, okay, mainly this problem occurs. For example guys, if you are taking PUBG, okay, from your friends, then guys, make sure to share the OBB file as well, okay, from their phone. So for that, you have to go to their Zender and open up the file manager from Zender. Okay, go to your friend's phone, connect your Zender, and guys, from that Zender, you have to uh, go to that file manager, and then guys, go to Android, and then guys, there you will find one OBB service. Okay, there you will find the OBB service here. So you have to transfer, you have to send this file to your mobile. Okay, whenever you send that file in your phone, from Zender, you will get here on the Zender in internal storage. So from here, you have to move this file, to the OBB file, okay, on Android. So guys, mainly this problem occurs because of the missing OBB file. So if you don't have the OBB file in the right place, then guys, obviously you will face this problem. Okay, so guys, as I have shown you in the PUBG what actually is going on, and I have tried to explain you why this problem is occurring. Okay, just because of the missing OBB file, this problem is occurring. So guys, make sure to download it from the Play Store. Okay, or make sure to download it from the Play Store, or just wait until and unless the resource download get completed. Or guys, what you can do is, okay, if you have problem regarding it, then guys, go to setting, go to apps, and then click on apps again. Okay, here you will get manage app, install app, or app manager, and here you have to find out PUBG. So let's find it out. Okay, so here it is. Now tap and open it, go to storage, and after that you have to clear the data of your PUBG. Okay, clear the data, and then guys, if you have OBB file, then guys, you can go for this process. If you have OBB file, okay, and then guys, go to I have seen that people have OBB file but still they are facing this problem. So make sure to clear the data, go back to your PUBG, and then guys, download the resource. Okay, but guys, if you have clearing the data, and I'll show you some setting as well. Go to permission, allow the permission, and guys, go to data uses and allow all the data uses. Okay, make sure to allow all the data uses, and then guys, problem will be solved. So now you just have to download the resource file, and guys, you can open the PUBG. Okay, and guys, if you don't have OBB file, and if the OBB file is missing on the file manager, then guys, go to your friend's phone and transfer it to to your mobile. Okay, transfer it to your mobile, and from here you have to move it. Click on the move. Let's go to Android, and I'll paste it OBB, and then here. Okay, so guys, as you can see, so I will uh okay, so now as you can see guys, I'm moving this. So guys, as you can see, there is on already one OBB file, okay, which is downloading right now. So I will delete this. Okay, I'll delete this one. Okay, now that's good. So let's go to PUBG once again. But guys, before that, restart your phone always and clean up all the uh, clean up all the application, okay, which are open, and then guys go back to PUBG. So guys, now you will see that the problem is solved. Okay, here see that downloading resources is not showing up on my screen. That means problem is solved. You can just wait and watch, okay, till the end. So we are on the final process. So guys, as you can see here, okay, downloading resources problem is solved. Now it is opening. So after that I will be on the game lobby. So guys, this is it. Okay, as you can see, my game has been opened up. So this is how you can fix the OBB file uh, running problem. So guys, if you face this problem, okay, if you still facing this problem after doing all the solution, then move your OBB file once. Okay, go to file manager, go to internal storage, and go to Android, and after that click on the OBB, and then guys go to here, okay, on your OBB file, and then guys you have to move this folder. Okay, click here on the move, and then guys paste it anywhere. Okay, but guys, not in the Android, you have to paste out of the Android. Okay, anywhere you have to paste, and after that again you have to paste it to the exact place, okay, in the OBB file, and then guys problem will be solved. That's it. So guys, this is how you can fix this problem. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.